Unpacking English. The meaning of snack tray. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that you might encounter at parties, gatherings, or even in some casual dining settings. We're talking about the term snack tray. It's a simple phrase, but it's packed with meaning, especially in the context of food and hospitality. So, whether you're planning to host an event or just want to expand your English vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's start by dissecting the phrase, snack tray. A snack is a small amount of food eaten between regular meals. Snacks are usually easier to prepare and are often considered to be light on the stomach. They can range from a handful of nuts to a piece of fruit, or even a small sandwich. A tray, on the other hand, is a flat platform designed for carrying items. It can be made of various materials like plastic, metal, or wood. In a food context, a tray is used to present and serve food items. When we combine these two words, snack tray refers to a flat surface used to carry and serve snacks. It's a convenient way to offer a variety of snacks to guests, allowing them to choose and serve themselves. Snack trays are more than just a food-serving tool. They hold cultural significance. They are often used during social events like parties, meetings, or family gatherings to provide a communal eating experience. The act of sharing food from the same tray can be seen as a form of bonding and hospitality. In different cultures, the contents of a snack tray can vary significantly. It might include local delicacies, seasonal fruits, or popular bite-sized treats that reflect the tastes and traditions of the place. There are various types of snack trays depending on the occasion and the type of snacks being served. Appetizer trays. These usually have a variety of bite-sized savory snacks designed to whet the appetite before a meal. Dessert trays. Filled with sweet treats like cookies, mini cakes, or candies. Perfect for after dinner or with tea. Fruit trays. Offering a selection of cut fruits, a healthier snack option. Vegetable trays. Usually accompanied by a dip. These trays are full of raw or slightly blanched veggies. So there you have it, the ins and outs of a snack tray. It's not just about the food. It's about the experience and the culture it represents. Next time you see a snack tray, you'll know its purpose and the variety it can bring to an event. We hope this video has been informative and added a little something to your English language journey. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more fun and educational content soon.